Gonna be Ben's first experience at a little kiddie pool. And a leaf fell in it and he's trying to fish it out. But it's interesting, huh? Yeah, you're gonna have to get used to it. I know. What you think? You just blew bubbles with your nose underwater. Let's see. Two leaves now, huh? Bubble blower. I had one bubble blower. Here's the second one. Just don't drown yourself. Bubble. Mr. Bubble. There you go. Are we going in more? Should probably get a toy then. Let's get a toy boy to come in. You go. Step in, baby. No, step in, baby. There you go. All right. You made it. You made it. That was spooky. That was spooky. And you're still blowing bubbles with your nose. Wait till you get to go in the big pool with Mama, I know. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You get used to it. You get used to it. So you're intrigued, huh? Trying to catch that leaf again? It's floating in there? Yep. Well, you keep coming back for more, that's a good sign, huh? Yeah. We need to get a toy and throw it in there. What do you think, Ben? What do you think, Ben? Hold on. Let me see. What do we have that's waterproof here a little bit? Look. Oh, look, there went a volley. Jeez, that bee landing on me. Okay. Benny, look. Ben, Ben. Yeah, I took my ball out of there, Ma. Sit up, dropped it back in there. Hey, sweet pea. The ball is more interesting than the water right now, huh? Say to be continued.